Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to make some tacos. And that's it. So I'll be using this very lean ground beef. It's 90% lean and 10% fat. And I have 2.42 pounds. Got this from Aldi. And I'll be putting in 3 packs of taco seasoning. And whenever you use this, you have to use some water. So, now I'll be using my Presto electric skillet. I like using this thing. So I'm going to lower this and get started. Okay, this is my Presto electric skillet. Y'all seen me cooking this before. Plug it in. Love using it. This is my ring light plug. Okay. You smell it. It's fine. Clean, but I always wipe out stuff that I haven't used in a little while. Turn it to 300. There's a little dial on here. I'm going to turn it to 350. I'll be using my wooden spoon. Break the meat up. It's very lean, so I won't have to be dipping grease out. You'll hear the sizzle in a few minutes. This particular electric skillet has a little divot on the side for the spoon. You can put the spoon there and then still put the lid on and it'll close. It's a little divot. You can see that right there? I really like that feature. You'll hear the sizzle. Okay, this is what I'll be putting in here. I'm supposed to use 1 pack per pound of meat. I'm using 3 packs, even though this is a little less than 3 pounds of meat, because that's how I do. I'll be putting lettuce on my, this is shredded lettuce. I'll be putting on my tacos and this kind of cheese. Italian style cheese, Mexican style cheese. And I'll put salsa. I do have some sour cream in the refrigerator. I don't want no cold sour cream on my tacos, so I choose not to use it. And these are the Aldi brand taco shells. Now if they turn out to be all tore up, cracked up, I guess I'll be making nachos. They look to be intact. I do see one crack in one of them. Well, I don't see it now, but I did see a crack. they double wrapped. Okay, they took care in packaging. Oh, there's the crack. I'm gonna put these in the air fryer. Just heat them up. Trying to open this other pack. It's like it's vacuum sealed. I don't season the meat until it's almost done. Because if I season it now, this chili powder in here will have this meat looking done. Let me show my honeys what you got. No? Let me show y'all what Walker got. Look here. Look what Walker got, y'all. What's the name of this stuff? He got this drink. It's apple pie moonshine from the Barrel Club restaurant and bar. So he put it in the freezer. He said this ain't gonna freeze. It did. Y'all see it's frozen? So that's a apple pie moonshine slush. Okay. That should be good and refreshing. Oh, I was talking about seasoning the meat. I season it after it's done, or nearly done. Because the seasoning that I use will color the meat, so I won't even be able to tell if it's done or not. So, I just wait and everything turns out fine. I like me some good tacos, y'all. I really prefer nachos. I'm making Walter likes tacos better. I like tacos too. I like just about everything. Okay, I'll be back when this meat is done. Okay, now the meat is completely done. I'll put it in the seasoning packet. Put some water in here. There's no grease in there because this was lean ground beef. I should have showed y'all. So now I'm going to mix this seasoning. Usually I put in other stuff, but I'm not going to add any more seasoning. And this will be fine. I need some more water. And let the water cook down. Put the top on it and let it simmer. I think I'm going to put some black olives in mine. really at? Let's get up here. Buy them like this. Little containers, so they're always handy. Olives to go. I love me some black olives. I like the green olives too. Trying to break this meat up as small as possible. Don't want no big chunks of meat in no taco. Smells good. If I had some refried beans, I would stir that up in there. That's good too. I'm gonna let this simmer. I'm gonna turn the fire down to 200. Okay. So I will be back when I'm through heating up my. Let me show y'all my taco shells. I'm using my Ninja Foodie extra large grill. Put the taco shells in here. Just gonna heat them up. I just put air crisp start, and I'm leaving the preheat on there. Okay, these shells are very, very hot. I put cheese in the bottom of my shells. So the hot meat can go on the top of it and melt the cheese. So Amber's gonna put some sour cream in hers, but I don't want that. Okay. Now for the meat. Don't want the juice. I'm gonna use a slotted spoon. That's a big meat. And if I have meat left over after I make this, then I'll just make some hamburger soup. Cheese on top of the meat. You know what I really like? I like fajitas too. I like bell pepper and onions. With lettuce on top of that. Shredded lettuce. These are full of tacos, aren't they? Okay. Now the salsa. I'm using the paste chunky salsa. Walter likes the smooth Ortega sauce. Okay. Listen for the pop. Make sure it's fresh and then smell it. It smells good. That's good. I'm going to use a fork with my tacos because stuff be falling out. I ain't going to miss a drop. All this goodness. And a few olives. Nice and fresh. And the leftovers, I'll just put these in my hot jalapeno jar juice. It's in the fridge. Okay. What kind of thumbnail I'm going to get from this. Let me turn this off completely. Or better still, unplug it. These are my tacos, y'all. Okay, here's my tacos. Cheese, meat, cheese, shredded lettuce, and black olives. And my chunky medium salsa. I'm going to try to take a bite of my taco. From the end. Seasoned good. Let me take another bite to make sure. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm gonna go enjoy my loaded tacos. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. You all have a very blessed rest of the day. It's 4:11 p.m. here. Okay, y'all be blessed. Bye.